Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Bob World account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Bob World bank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in bobworld.com like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Bob World login on the Google itself and hit on enter, and let's wait for the search results. Let's go to the first tab, and this is the site we got from the bobworld.com, which is the directly authenticated to the Bank of Baroda. And we are over here now. To log into your Bobble account from over here, there is not a login page available on this page, but if you click on this logo which says the Bank of Baroda, where I'm hovering right now, click over there. Similar page to of the Bank of Baroda will open like this, and from the Google search result, the same address which is over here, bankofbaroda.in, is also over here, which is the first result of Google. Click over there, and this site we were redirected from the home page of the bobworld.com. So let's go to of these sites because we just want to log into our bobworld account. Now in order to log into your bobworld account, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the login button available over here. First click on login, and this panel will open where you can see there are a lot of bank account types. If you want to sign into your bank account, first choose your bank account type from the Baroda Connected Banking India to International and all these types. After choosing your bank account type, click on the bank account type on which you want to sign in, and let's wait for it to load. And you can see guys, after you click or choose your account type on the Bob World, you will be directed to the login page as this one, with every of these account type with the mutual funds and everything. They will all have a login page available for you. And you can see I think this one is currently offline, so let's go back and let's go with the prepared card portal and brought up first tag. With that being said guys, these are all of the bank account types. After choosing your bank account type, our login page will open, and you'll have to enter your username which you had registered on the Bank of Baroda or the Bob account at the time of creating your account. After entering your username, but if you have forgotten your username, you can see the forgot username option available over here. If you click over there, you will be able to retrieve your username if you have forgotten it. With that being said, after entering your username, enter this captcha available over here like this. It may be another one for you. Choose your captcha, enter your captcha correctly, because if you get this wrong, the Bank of Baroda or the Bob will not let you log into your account. After entering your username and your captcha, click on proceed, and you will be able to sign into your Bank of Baroda account from over here. Or if you have not created an account on Bank of Baroda, you will also find a registration option on the Bobble over here. And you can see guys, you can also sign up for a Bobble account from over here, and this page is unloading I think. And let's go with the international. Similarly, let's go choose a country, and after you choose a country, you can see there are two pages available. First, in order to log into the Bobble, either if you're a corporate user or a retail user, let's click on the corporate user. And similarly guys, a login page to your corporate ID has opened. Enter your corporate ID and your user ID over here and click on enter, and then you'll be signed in or logged into your Bobble account from over here. With that being said, there guys, this is how you log into your Bobble account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.